Hey, what's up guys? Welcome in. So today we're gonna be working on my 3rd gen 2004 Runner SR5. We're gonna be installing these AVS In-Channel Vent Visors on the car. Looking forward to show you guys a good how-to video on how to do this, and also a little bit of a review as we go about using them and seeing how they work. I'm excited to put these on, matching the AVS front deflector I have on the car. I think it's gonna give it a good look, good functionality. Let's get to work. So first step is I've rolled the window down halfway. I keep my car clean, and I just happened to detail yesterday. So this really is just for purposes of showing you guys what I would do. A lot of times when you roll your window down, you got a lot of dirt on the glass, and that's come from being trapped inside the channel. So you want to take your glass cleaner. In this case, I'm using invisible glass, and you want to go ahead and either spray it directly on the glass or on a microfiber. And we're going to clean off that window, top edge, inside, and outside. Now your window might be a little different than mine. It might have a lot of dirt on it. I would suggest getting it as clean as possible. And as you can see here, we're looking good, so we're going to the next step. All right, so AVS has supplied us with 2 of these alcohol wipes. And if you run out, I would suggest just getting some rubbing alcohol out of your house and a cloth to finish the job the right way. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the alcohol wipe and we're gonna clean inside this channel all the way down where the mirror is. And I can tell you right away, I'm gonna have to get more. I'm gonna come down a little bit here. And as you can tell, I think we're gonna have to get some more. As you can see, I've moved on to rubbing alcohol and some shop towels. Felt like I needed just a little bit extra here. Now what I'm doing here is taking a microfiber towel and following behind my alcohol prep just to dry it off and clean it, get any particulates out of the way. Nice hot day, so we shouldn't have any problems. All right, so here's our vent visor for the driver's side. And what you can see I've done here is I've gone ahead and peeled back a few inches of each edge. Okay, and that's to get it started. We're gonna go ahead and peel off this side here. That's gonna go by the mirror, and this side here goes by the passenger door. Now, it has these flanges on this side and this side. This flange here is gonna fit up against the mirror, basically right up in here. And this flange is gonna fit inside the channel towards the rear of the vehicle. All right, so I've got these peeled back a little bit further now. I'm actually gonna start on the back side first. And yes, that's much better. I'm gonna tuck it in. All right, so as I tuck, you can see what I'm gonna do is pull out, and it's gonna leave the adhesive exposed. And I'm taking my hands and I'm in the channel, pushing back towards me with gentle but firm pressure. Now you don't want to apply pressure obviously in the places that you haven't adhered yet or peeled back. So what I'm doing is peeling forward and then coming in behind it to push in. Peel forward, come in behind, push up, and pull out towards me, gentle and firm. All right, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna roll the window up slowly, and when I get to the top, that's when I'm going to apply the final pressure to make sure the window doesn't kick back down. Now, keep in mind, once you roll it up, you're not rolling it back down for, I think, 2 or 3 days. All right, here we are. We're gonna wipe it off. It's installed. Looks really good, happy with it. Let's head to the back. All right, so here we are on the back window on the driver's side of the car. All you have to do here is repeat the steps. So we're gonna speed up the video as I go through all the steps. I'm not gonna talk all the way through it. And you'll see, repeating the steps, you get the same good result. All right, here we are on the passenger side front window. Once again, easy here. It's just gonna be repeating the steps that we performed on the driver's side of the vehicle. We're gonna start, clean the window off. Give her a wipe down here. There we go. Onto the back. Here we are on the back side. So this is our final installation of the day. And I'm glad, it's like 130 degrees it feels like out here. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sweating. Final wipe down. Looks great. Super excited. I've been driving now with these vent visors for 2 weeks. And honestly, I wonder, why didn't I do this installation sooner? These things have been fantastic. Even little hidden gems like blocking the sun while you're waiting in the drive-through line. I haven't found anything yet that I don't like. Here's a great example of how the vent visors are designed to deflect water as the water pours from the roof down over the vent visor onto the driver's side window. I absolutely love this shot. You can see exactly how these AVS In-Channel visors are designed to keep the water out of the interior of your vehicle. it works just as well on the rear of the vehicle. How great are these things? Honestly, even in a downpour, you're going to be able to let the air into your cabin and stay dry. And finally, a full interior view of the AVS In-Channel Visors fully installed. I love the aesthetic. Alright guys, just like that, that's it. We've installed all 4 of our AVS In-Channel Vent Visors. Installation went really well. I'm pleased with them. I hope you guys' installation goes as well as this one did, and I hope I've been able to help you guys out with a nice clean installation on your ride. Till next time.